What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy ricothewaver, and we back again with another video. So I hope y'all like that nice little camera cinematic beat roll I rolled for y'all. Drip Buttah shampoo, as y'all can see right here. It's the new Go Drip Buttah shampoo. So I hope you guys like that. So today's video, I'm basically gonna be putting it into my hair and showing you guys the full lather of it and the full effect to see if this product works. I've already used it once. So far so good. I like the product. Now I'm gonna see how it works as far as styling. So I've just used it to scramble wash my hair, and so far I like it. And I just want to see how it is when it comes to styling and lathering, to getting my hair back in formation, because right now my waves are not there. I got a whole fro under here. We're gonna comb out the hair and we're gonna apply some of this Go Drip Buttah shampoo just to see how it is and see what it can possibly do for my waves. But with that being said, I'll let you guys know the ingredients are right here. Go Drip Buttah is a shampoo like no other. It's a thick shampoo and great for all hairstyles and textures. There's no limit to styling with this shampoo. To activate an explosive lather, apply a finger amount. So you only need a finger amount to apply. Make sure you're applying it to your hair while your hair is damp so it can give a better lather. So you don't want to apply shampoo to dry hair. You want to apply it to your hair while it's damped, as I will show you guys in the video. And then of course you want to add more water to make sure that your hair, you know, like I said, make sure your hair is damped. Apply a dime size amount, add a little bit more water so your hair can lather up a lot more. Alright y'all, so now it's time to get the brush session in. I've scramble washed it. Like I said, I washed last night, so I got all the dirt out last night, so I can just jump in and just come straight into the video for y'all. So I'm gonna get my brush, my mirror. We finna get ready to lock in and brush this hair into style. As y'all see, the lather smells like a good little peppermint. Has a nice little smell to it. You know, if you ever smelled like a mint, like it smells good, it's like a mint, you know, and it feels good in the hair. Like you could tell that it's like, you know, stimulating and like getting everything together, you feel me? You can feel it, trust, you can feel it. And y'all know me, I do real reviews. Like I'm not out here doing nothing for promotion. This video is not for promotion. He did not pay me, none of that. I went and I purchased this myself. I purchased this Go Drip Buttah myself, the shampoo, and I came to do the review myself so I can let YouTube, you know, get a full effect on it and let YouTube, let y'all see how this products work before you go buy the product. You feel me? That's just how I am. So it's okay, yeah, I spent the money on it, and if things went left, then I would have, you feel me, let y'all know. The labeling, everything is A1. The jar, you know, it's not liquidy. It has a hole to it. I can literally turn it upside down and it doesn't fall out. Literally, this is not fake. It's in, you feel me? You can't fake that. You see it in there. I just turn it upside down. It don't fall out. None of that. Alright y'all, so now that I've used the Go Drip Buttah shampoo to basically lather up my hair, I brushed it back in formation as y'all seen. Make sure you brush your hair the same way that you brush your hair in a normal brush session when you styling your hair. So that way when you throw in your Rico's merch rag that I got right here to rinse out the shampoo, everything will be back and laid down in formation. This is a silky, by the way. My sunburst edition. Everything will be linked down in the description below, and also where to get his product will be linked down in the description below. I am gonna show you guys the results. I know a lot of people on YouTube don't show results. I'm gonna show you the results. So I'm gonna rinse this out, let the hair, you know, dry, and I'm gonna show you guys the results. Now they do say that you don't need no type of conditioner with this shampoo. This is what I've heard. So we're gonna see what it is. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna come back to y'all with the update. Using the Go Drip Buttah shampoo, how my hair is looking. So, and after that, I'm gonna talk to you guys for a little bit. So let's just go ahead and come out the rack. By the way, this is that Rico's merch sunburst right now. New colors coming soon. This is my very own DURAGS, silky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Look at that shine, bro. That shine is crazy. Definitely gives my hair a perfect shine. Yeah, that shine is crazy, yup. Y'all see it. I don't think you're gonna get this with no other. Alright y'all, so don't mind the taper. Yes, I need a taper. But other than that, y'all, like, the shine is crazy. You can't, you feel me? Look at that shine. That shine is just, that shine is something different, you feel me? You can't really like knock the shine. And I ain't gonna lie, in person, the waves definitely look more thicker. I said look, okay, don't get me wrong. They look more thicker and healthier, to be honest. So, in conclusion, honestly, I'll give the product a 9 out of 10. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 only for the fact that, you know, I can see myself running through a lot more of the product because of the fact that my hair is thick. So I have thick, coarse hair, so I'm gonna have to use more than a dime size amount, or maybe 2 dime size amounts. But I mean, who doesn't run through shampoo and conditioner and things like that? So like I said, I'm gonna try my best to see how long I can last with this, how many months I can, because as y'all see, I still have this oil. I've been preserving the oil. That's my first one. That's my first ever one. I've been having that for months. And I still have, you feel me, these two. I got those months ago. Shoot, and if you really an OG, I got this one from a long time ago with the black top. And I swear I still got a corner left in here. I still got a corner left in here if y'all can see, hold on. You feel me? I still got a few in there. So I know how to preserve my products. Like he said, y'all, use a dime size amount. A dime size amount goes a long way. So like I said, I still have a corner with the black top one. This the OG bottle, the old one. You feel me? Y'all see the differences in the bottles, they changed over time. Over time, he changed it. You feel me? Over time. Over time, you feel me? He changed it. So it's like, learn how to preserve y'all bottles, you feel me? See, over time, it's changed. From black with the red to black with the white top to black with the white, and then, you feel me, Lakers colors. This product is a 9 out of 10. I really like it. I can see myself definitely using this product in future roster styles, and so on and so on, man. But this was just basically me reviewing the product. It's definitely a 9 out of 10. His website will be linked down in the description below for y'all to go shop. You know, like I said, this is not a paid promotion, any of that. I just genuinely wanted to do a review on the product to see if I liked it myself. And personally, I like it. I honestly can see myself using this, a 9 out of 10. Only because of the fact that my hair is thicker and I can see myself running through it a lot more is the reason why I'm giving it the 9 out of 10. Everything be linked down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Rico and I'm checking out.